That we are getting now after the appointment of the new NHRC chief, former Supreme Court Judge Justice V. Ramasubramanian. Congress has now come out with a dissent note on this entire update. Now, the note has been signed by Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. They were both a part of a meeting that took place in Prime Minister's office over the entire matter. As per the letter, they have raised objection on the grounds that there was no mutual consultation. Well, these are the latest inputs that we are tracking from the ground, where after the appointment of new NHRC chief, former Supreme Court Judge Justice V. Ramasubramanian, Congress has now escalated dissent over this entire situation. Now, there has been a note that has been signed out by Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. Both of them were actually a part of a meeting that took place in Prime Minister's office over the entire matter. As per the letter, they have raised objections on the ground that there was no mutual consultation. Congress is once again raising objections over the appointment of Justice V. Ramasubramanian as NHRC chief, claiming lack of mutual consultation in the entire decision-making process. Well, after the appointment of new NHRC chief, there is yet another fresh controversy that's brewing up, with Congress raising objections over the appointment of Justice V. Ramasubramanian. Now, joining us is Pallavi Ghosh for a better perspective into the entire situation. Very good morning, Pallavi. Pallavi, what are the main objections that are being raised by Congress regarding the appointment of Justice V. Ramasubramanian as the NHRC chief?
So if you look at the copy of that letter, which has been written by both Mr. Kharge and Rahul Gandhi as a dissent note, they've actually pointed out three reasons why they've objected to the name of the new chairperson. One, of course, they say that there should have been greater consultation, they should have been kept in the loop, and this is something which does not reflect that. But more than that, there are names. For example, they said we offered of Fali Nariman, we offered that of Justice Qureshi. They are the ones also who should have been considered. If you haven't done it, it clearly goes on to show that the government once again has acted in an arbitrary manner, and it has not really been representative of the true spirit of what the NHRC should be all about.
Well, Pallavi, reading out the letter, the first very big allegation that comes to fore is that there was lack of mutual consultation.
पीछे का दिख रहा है, आगे का नहीं दिख.
Lack of mutual consultation in the decision-making process. But help us also understand how significant will be this dissent in the context of future appointments to these key positions.
Kohina, I don't think this dissent note is really going to make much of a difference. This is one way in which opposing political parties put it on the record. So on the record, it is going to go across as a dissenting note coming in from the Congress party. These are decisions which are taken by the leader of the House and also by the Prime Minister. He was present there, the Speaker. The dissenting note is just to put it on record that the Congress disagrees with the choice of the name and the fact that they feel it's not really truly representative of the people.
Right, Pallavi, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. Well, it will be very interesting to watch what is the response of the central government on this dissent that has been presented by the Congress leaders. But now we're slipping into a very short break. Stay tuned. We'll be back.